friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to write small letters. There are 26 small letters. Let's start. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. These are the 26 small letters. Thank you. Like the video and subscribe my channel for more videos.